Hello everyone, welcome to HBN Infotech Tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create invoices very fast using PDF Element Pro. Before that, let us know what is PDF Element Pro. PDF Element Pro, in simple words, is an advanced PDF editor that can be used to create and edit PDF documents. Using this software, you can create PDF forms, add annotations, convert PDF files into other formats, convert other files into PDF documents, password protect PDF files, and a lot more. The first thing you want to do is go to PDF Element website, subscribe to one of their plans, download, install and activate the software. You may download the software from the link in the description below. The next thing you want to do is go to PDF Element website and download the invoice templates that you want. I have given the download link in the description below. Once downloaded, you can edit the invoices and save them as PDF files. It's very simple as that. Now let's practically see how to download and use the PDF invoice templates. To download the templates, click on Invoice Template. Then scroll and select the invoice template you want. Now to download the template, you will have to subscribe their official YouTube channel. Then click on Free Download. Then you can download the template. So now let us see once again. So I'll download the VAT invoice template. Now launch PDF Element 6 Pro. Open the downloaded template. Then go to the Form tab and click on Form Field Recognition button. So this recognizes all the form fields of the invoice template. Once it's done, you can click on Close Form Editing. Then enter the data such as the PO number, sales details, etc. Once everything is done, click on the Save button. This is how you can quickly create invoices using PDF Element Pro 6. You can download a lot of other templates from the PDF Element website. The link is given in the description below. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends.